Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes you were discussing the literature portion, chapter number 2, that is how the dog found himself a new master. Dear students, in this chapter I have explained the story in detail, as well as I have also completed the word meaning and the question answer of this chapter. Dear students, as I have told you to complete the other exercises of this chapter, so today we will discuss the other exercises which is given in chapter number 2, page number 21. Just open students, page number 21 and put out the pencil also, because these exercises you have to do in your book only. No need to write in the notebook. So first question number first, question answer we have completed. And question number second, a summary of the, just see the question, what is the question? A summary of the story is given below. There is a summary that is given below. Fill in the blanks to complete the taking appropriate phrases from the box. And there are some blanks given in this question, and we have to fill the blanks with the help of the given box. Dear students, helping box is given here, and from that we have to select the phrase, words, and we have to fill in the blanks given in the question. Okay students, I have already written that story on the board, you can see here. Now we will complete this story. There are so many blanks and we have to fill the blanks. The option is given in your book, you have to fill that. Okay students, so we will start this question. Just see here, this is the story of, we all know, this is the story of a dog, and there is an option also, so we will fill here a dog. Okay students, just fill here in the first blank a dog. Okay, this is the story of a dog who used to be his own master. In the blanks it is in the helping verb box it is given that, what is given, his own master, and here the suitable phrase will be who used to be his own master, his own master. In the blank number second we will fill the his own master. Okay students, just see, just fill it. He decided to find a master, in the blanks given, stronger than anyone else. So here we will fill here stronger than anyone else. Stronger than anyone else. ELSE. Okay, he decided to find a master stronger than anyone else. And now first he found, to whom he found, we have read the story, so we know it. First he found a wolf. A wolf is given here, option yes. So here we will fill here a wolf. Found a wolf. WOLF. Okay student, this is the correct option. First he found a wolf, but the wolf was afraid of whom? We all know that bear, the bear. So here the wolf was, turn the page students, afraid of the bear. In the helping box also given the bear, BEAR. Okay, the dog thought, now we can see here, first he found the wolf, but the wolf was afraid of bear. The dog thought that the bear was the strongest of all. Bear was the strongest of all. Bear was the strongest of all. After some time, the dog met a lion. Just here, after some time, the dog met a, to whom he met? In the beginning, he met with the wolf, then after bear, then after a lion. Okay? You see, after some time, the dog met a lion who seemed the strongest. He stayed with him, with the lion for a long, long time. One day, he realized that the lion was afraid of man. Afraid of man. A-F-R-A-I-D. The lion was afraid of man. Okay, students, to this day, the dog remains man's best friend. Okay, students, this is the story, and helping box is given in your book, and with the helping box, we will fill the blanks given in the story. Okay, students, so just complete it. So the story will be, this is the story of a dog who used to be his own master. He decided to find a master stronger than anyone else. First, he found a wolf, but the wolf was afraid of bear. The dog thought that the bear was strongest of all. After some time, the dog met a lion who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long, long time. One day he realized that the lion was afraid of man. To this day, the dog remains man's best friend. Okay, students, so in this way we have completed the exercise number B. Okay, working with the test. Now we will do the working with the language. Here page number 22 given the exercise working with the language. Now we are doing the working with the test. There are two exercises. A, in that exercises we have completed the question answer, and in the second exercise we have completed the story given here. Okay, students, now we will do the working with the language. There are some grammar portion is given here. We will complete it. Okay, students, so just complete it first, and now we will discuss the exercise number A of working with the language. I am going to erase this. Okay, I hope that you all have written already, but those who have not written, they will write. Okay, now come to the next exercise, that is the working with the language. It is given at the page number 22. Now see here, each word in the box given below indicates a large number of, for example, a herd of cows. Okay, refers to many cows. Here, dear students, in this question we have to fill the collective nouns. Okay, collective nouns, I have already told you what is collective noun. It denotes the collection of a person or anything, collection of living things or non-living things. Okay, that is known as collective nouns. Okay, here option is also given. Complete each of the following phrases with the suitable words from the boxes. Helping box is given here, and exercises is also given. Now we will do the exercise. First, it is exercise A, and there are so many questions. Of blank is there, of sheep. Okay, sheep. In the question number second, of flowers, FLOWERS. Third, that is we have to fill here collective nouns, of chick. Question number 4, You have to fill of cattle. Question number 5. Of sticks. Okay. Let's see the next question. Of sheep. Next 7 is given of fish. And question number 8 of wolves. Okay students, this is the question. In this question you have to fill the collective nouns. It means a group of anything or group of person or animal or other things. Just here option is given already. Here option is given. So here you also open your book, page number 22. Option is given here. With the help of that helping box we will fill it. A fleet of ship. In the first we will fill fleet. F-L-E-E-T. F-L-E-E-T. That is fleet. Okay students, just fill here fleet of ship. Fleet of ship. Okay, second, bucket is not given. Bouquet is not given. So here we will write the bunch. Okay, a bunch of flower. A bunch of flowers. Next question, a brood of chicks. Here in the blank number 3rd we will fill here brood. Next, herd of cattle, and this phrase has already come in this chapter. Herd of cattle. Okay, a herd of cattle. Question number 5 we will see a bundle of stick. A bundle, B-U-N-D-L-E. A bundle of sticks. Now a flock of sheep. A flock of sheep. F-L-O-C-K. And now a shoal of fish or a school of fish. Both are the correct. At some places you will find shoal of fish and some places you will find a school of fish. A pack of owls. A pack of owls. Okay students, this is the correct word that you have to fill, that is fleet, that is F. Okay, I think it is clear. A fleet of sheep, a bunch of flowers, a brood of chicks, a herd of cattle, a bundle of sticks, a flock of sheep, a school of fish. Okay, a pack of owls. Okay students, so in this way we have completed this exercise number first, a working with the language. Okay students, I hope that you all have understand, and that is the collective nouns used here. Okay, herd, fleet, bunch, brood, herd, bundles, flock, school, pack, these are the collective nouns. Okay, and it denotes the group of something. Okay, so just fill it. And now we will do the next question, question number B. Okay students, if you have any kind of problem you can mention in the comments. Now what is the question number B? Make the nouns from the word given below by adding ness, N-E-S-S. This is the question. Here in this question we have to add ness or ity. For some words to need add just ty or y. Make nouns. We have to make the nouns here. Abstract noun. Just here. In this question we have to add This is the question number B. I am going to write here. In this question you have to add ness, okay, or you can add ity, okay, or you can also add ty or only y, okay. We have to add these words or letters in the given question. Question is that honest, we can see here honest is given here, okay. There is a blank and in the blank you have to fill. Just see question number second, kind. Kind is given, you have to fill here. Question number third, cruel, 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 you have to fill here. You can, what would be the correct answer, you can also mention in the comments while writing, while my writing. Just see here sad. And question number 5, sorry, question number 4 is calm, calm, calm. Question number 5, that is sad. Question number 6, active. Okay students, and there are some more. 7, question number 7, it is given creative, creative, creative. And question number 8, sincere, sincere, okay. Question number 9, cheerful, cheerful, bitter, bitter, bitter. And question number 11, that is sensitive, sensitive. And question number 12, that is great. Okay students, just see, you have to add in this question ness, ity, ty or y. Okay students, so we will add here honest is given here the word, and we have to make noun, abstract noun. For that we will add what? Honesty, y only we will add. So here in this question, honesty, okay, that is the correct answer. You just fill it, honesty. In the first blank you will fill honesty, okay. Kind, kindness, just fill kind, kindness. Kind is given here, kindness. Next, cruel, cruelty, you can see here cruelty, okay, that is cruelty. Next, calmness, calmness. This is the correct answer. Okay students, all these are the abstract noun. That abstract noun I have already told you students, the noun which cannot be touched or which cannot be seen, we can only think of, we can only feel or realize, that is abstract noun, okay. For example, these are the examples, you can say honest, honesty, kind, kindness, cruel, cruelty, calm, calmness, sad, sadness, sad, sadness. Okay, next, active, activeness, yeah, activity, you can say activity, okay. We have added here ity only. Creative, creativity, okay, creativity, VI creativity. जैसे sincerity. Okay, here sincerity, SINCERITY, sincerity. Next, cheerfulness. There would be cheerfulness. Just feel here, cheerfulness. Bitterness. BITTER, bitterness. Next, sensitive. That is sensitivity. SENSITIVITY, sensitivity. Okay, sensitive. Here we will add only ITY. And greatness. There will be greatness. Okay, students, that is the answer of question number B. Here we have to make the noun. So your first answer will be honesty, second kindness, third cruelty, fourth calmness, fifth sadness, sixth activity, seventh creativity, eighth sincerity, cheerfulness and bitterness, sensitivity, greatness. Okay, students, just write down now. Okay, students, I am giving you one question number C, that you have to only match, you have to select the meaningful word. Dear students, in this question you have to search the word. Okay, question number C, which is given at the page number 23. Just see in this question, this is your homework, you will complete it by your own. There are 12 words hidden in this table. Dear students, in this table there are 12 words are given in this table. Okay, and 6 can be found horizontally, and here 6 word you can find horizontally and 6 vertically, and 6 word you can find vertically, and all of them are describing word. All of them are describing word. Describing words means, I have told you student, describing word is adjective that describes the quality of a noun or pronoun. Okay, describing word means adjective. It is a kind of parts of a speech. Okay, I think you have read, so you can do it. So in this question you have to select the describing word like good, happy, etc. And the first letter of the words are given below, and horizontally you will find H, R, F, F, S, G, and vertically you will find A, W, S, F, L, Q. Okay, students, I hope that you can do here. For example, I have completed this exercise, but you will try to do by your own. Hasty I have selected H, horizontal. In the horizontal line you will find the hasty first. Okay, in vertical line A is given here, so angry I have written here angry. So I hope that you can complete by your own. If you have any kind of problem you can ask, then I will send. Okay, students, now turn the pages. Page number 24. There is a paragraph. You will read the paragraph. That is very easy. It is about the dog family and his ancestors. So you will read it by your own. I am going to complete the exercises of this. Okay, dear students, I hope that you can complete the exercise given at the page number 23, that is word search, and you will try to do, and I hope that you can do. That is very simple. That will not come in your exam, but you should do. It is a kind of puzzle, you can say. that enhance your mental ability, intelligence, power. Okay, students, just see page number 24. Find out the opposites of these words in the given below. Ancestor is given here in the first word is given ancestor. Page number 24, exercise number D. You can see here in the first. You have to write the opposite. Ancestor means purvaj. Okay? So here opposite you have to write, that will be the descendant. Just see, just write down here. DESCENDANT. Okay, students, you will fill in the blanks. In the question number second, wild. Wild means jungly, and you have to write the opposite of that. That will be the tame. TAME. Okay. Third, question number third, ancient. Ancient means prachin, and the opposite of that word will be modern. Question number 4, that is near, and the opposite of that distant. Okay, student, just write down this. And fifth one is suddenly. You will write here, GR is already written. Okay, other letters you will write gradually, ALLY. Okay, students, so just fill it. Okay, and there are one more exercise number, that is the first, and here I am going to do only the answer. Complete the following sentence. Dingo, in this paragraph, and you will read, you will find that dingo is a kind of wild dog that is found in the Australia. It is given in the third paragraph. You can find it. So you will fill here in the first, that is dingo is a wild dog. Okay, just fill here. And the question number second, just see, dogs were the first animals. Okay, the dogs were the first animal tamed by the human beings. Okay, humans. The other animals tamed by the humans are, there are two blanks. In the first blanks you will fill the first, and in others are, you will find, right, you can write tamed by the humans are cows. Okay, we also tamed मीन्स पालना, किसको हम पालते हैं, काऊ को पालते हैं. उसके बाद काऊ एंड बुफेलोज, कामा गोट्स, कामा हॉर्सेस. Okay, students, up to this you write etc. There are so many, you will fill it. Think and name some other such animals. You can write the other animal that you tame. And question number third, what is the question number third? The new word refers to the United States of America. You will fill here, to the United States of America. And dogs were brought there from Asia. In the first blank you will fill this, and in the second blanks you will fill the Asia. Okay, students, so in this way you will complete that, and that is also your homework, dear students. That is also your homework to complete that exercise, family tree of dogs. Okay, you will also try to do by your own, or you can take the screenshot so that you could fill in your book. Okay, students, so this is all about the exercises based on the chapter, that is how the dog found himself. In the next class we will discuss the poem The Kite. Okay, students, if you have any kind of problem, you can mention in the comments or ask in the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.